Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the fluentd agent. So we will discuss fluentd agent on Ubuntu and Docker in the form of the Docker, right? So what is the fluentd? Fluentd basically use application logs either in the form of the Docker and plain Ubuntu servers, right? And fluentd has a 3 to 4 options: input, filter, buffer, and output plugin. So input plugin, what file you need to be you need to monitor, right? Let's suppose access logs, so access logs file. And filter, they have a rules. And output plugin, where do you want to send these logs, right? So let's suppose I am going to send these log AWS cloudwatch log group. So we have a cloudwatch log plugin, okay, and we will post in the over the AWS cloud. So like this is the fluentd installation. Server logs is Apache, fluentd, cloudwatch log group, fluentd plugin input output, fluentd cloudwatch gems installation. So I will complete all these things. So let's explain the configuration files. Basically, configuration file, we do have a I would say 3 options. What is a source? I told you source is an input, so it is the access file of the cloud, Apache. Like it will create for own, and this is the format parsing is Apache 2. And filter, basically if fluentd running is 100 machines, so it will add the host name, okay, all these logs, right? So we can understand, okay, which machine this is logs, right, if we are sending in a one log group, right? Okay. And match.access, where do you want to send? Like we are using cloudwatch logs plugin, okay, output plugin, this is log group name, log stream name, okay, and US East 1 region. And we have a AWS access key and secret key. We can use it because we are using in our Oracle local machine, so we can use it, and we can use it web identity, right, as per your. So this is the file, right? Hope you understand. This is the source section. First is the source section. What you need to be post. What exactly do you want to send, right? It's file, and it's a parsing filter section. And if you want to add addition in the parse, right? Okay, yourself, right? I want to add the host name. And output is a CloudWatch log group, right? CloudWatch, I want to send these files into the over AWS CloudWatch log group. This is the output section, okay? And apart from the installation, Ruby -v 3.20 is required for the plain Ubuntu servers. If you have an image, so you do not need. And where do you think is these documentation and installation? This is the installation. This is the package, plugin. I want to use fluentd plugin cloudwatch log and plugin host name, okay? So you need to install in plain Ubuntu servers, right? fluentd version version, and this is the Ruby minimum 3.2.1. you can install tar file. So with this is the easiest point, okay? And then start the fluentd. You can start by service itself, you can start by fluentd. So as I discussed, new log group can be create the name Apache access log group. Let's go to the first AWS console. Okay, and here is a 19 log group. Once we can refresh this, it will be 20. So going to the installation part, right? You can go from let me show you docs.fluentd.org. This is a dap package. I'm using Jammy, Ubuntu Jammy. So here you can Jammy, because my one is Jammy, so I can download an installation. So this is the fluentd service, and I can install after that these things, okay? And apart from that, I did not do, this is my current version, so I will show you the current version. Okay, this is the current version, Ruby -v 3.2.10, and because I have already installed this, right? So that's why fluentd version is coming. That, and I will show you my Fluent configuration. Basically it is under etc and Fluent directory, right? So this is same I showed you the notepad. Okay, this is same as a filter. We are adding hostname in the logs, right? And this is the cloudwatch and this is the log. In the below section I have added AWS access key and secret key, so that's why I was not able to show you. So let me stop for a moment. Okay guys, so we have to install system ctl status, so that is inactive. We just need to start. That is started. Again I'm showing status, that is running, right? So it is already using Ruby, and this is fluentd PID, fluentd logs for directory. Okay, and this is looks like, and we are using etc cd sorry, current path pwd, it's the same and ls. This is the fluentd file, and we should need to wait for a moment, right? Let me show you logs as well. So I will go the next section. This is the same duplicate copy, so I'm just adding this, right? And I will show you the logs. I'm just refreshing multiple times. This is tailing path, this access logs, and you can see now more path pushing logs as well. Just hold for a moment. This is coming right now. We have here, right? And right now this is AWS CloudWatch client log stream this. There is no error. So I think it's been pushed now. Let's open the log group. We have a 19. It is a 20. Our log group name Apache access log in the fluentd config file. This is access log. That's okay. It's a Ubuntu server, right? Okay. Here I put the host name, right? Ubuntu. Now I'm going to the work within the Docker, right? So let me stop for a moment. Okay guys, I stopped this service, right? What I need to do, I have to delete this log stream as well in front of you. I'm just going to delete. Okay, and now I'm going to run here is a one more control C, because I have already created is a Docker file, so I do not want ls cat Docker file. This is my Docker file, right? I just want to, I have used -v varload app host Apache to inside this -fluentd conf. I have already passing this fluentd inside the Docker, and my image name is this, right? So I'm just running a container. So that is started from here. It is started, right? So let's get done by below that, right? So let me check here. So that is not coming yet. Okay guys, now that is coming. This is from Docker. Host name is Docker. Just see. Okay. So if you want Docker es -a So this is the 49A, right? This is the 49 CE04, CE0884, right? That is coming. And now we have pushed the logs using the Docker containers. If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. That would be a great help for me. And if you have any issues, you want more detailed Fluent videos, just please do comment. I will create as per your requirement. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.